Hello and welcome to my 5 Hoover life hacks and facts. We will be doing lots of them. Lots of them are quite cool. Lots of them you probably didn't know. So stick around and watch. For this life hack, you will need a piece of paper and some sellotape. Now, once you've got the piece of paper and sellotape, put the piece of paper into the hose and tape it round with sellotape. Now tape the top of the piece of the paper. Now you can just about get it to everywhere. The skirtings, the radiator, like any bits that you couldn't get into before with the normal Hoover pipe. For this life hack, you will need air fresheners. When you get the air fresheners for the Henry, don't put them in the bag like they say to do. Don't listen to what they say about putting it in the bag, because it just stinks if you put it in the bag. So I put it on the top of the filter so it doesn't make any stinks. And also, always put it at the top of the filter, even if it's a bag machine or bagless. For this life hack, you will need a dust extractor. This is my dust extractor I sometimes use, and I just drilled 2 holes on the top, cleared out all the messes, and put an old hose in it, attached with a sewer pipe bit. It's quite easy to set up, just close that, attach this, and then I don't know if it fits all the time that well, but you could put stuff on it to make it a bit more secure. Right, this is the demonstration. Please don't use it with wetness. Only if you're using a wet vac. Please give this life hack a try out. And here is the bin. It looks a bit bad, but it's still collected. Hopefully yours works a bit better and you actually get better attachments that can fit on here. Bonus fact, not a lot of people know this, but this bracket and that clip down there, they actually stand back together. If I just slide it like that and it holds your floor tool. For this life hack, you will need a sock. If you don't have spare dust bags, just get a sock. They fill up kind of quickly if you're using it on a mess test, but they don't fill up that easily if you're hoovering just normally. Now let's test this out. I'll just put this on here. Close it. Now, touch this. It might blow off, but let's test it. Now let's see if the socky dust bag actually worked. Oh, it could have blown off. Oh. It worked, and here's the dust bag. Comment below if you would ever try this. It's so fun.